everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today is a very exciting day here in the stownsn household because over the next few days we are actually getting flooring in our house. It might not sound that exciting, but it's very exciting for us, and I will show you why. This is why. So this is what we've been dealing with all down the stairs, and it's all in the living room and in the dining room. And on the stairs you have these little spiky bits. Look at those. They're down every single stair, which makes it extremely scary to go downstairs. I think my dad has a death wish or doesn't want us to go to Somerset or something. We've had that for like a week, over a week. It's a dangerous game here in the stownsn household. The carpet guy, I keep calling him the carpet guy, but he's doing the laminate flooring as well. The carpet guy is getting here tomorrow. They're not starting until tomorrow, but I was like, I'm going to do a before shot today because the odds are I will not be awake before they start tomorrow. Let's be honest. They're probably going to get here at like, what time do you start work? 9. I don't see daylight until 10, so I was not going to be able to get a before shot, so I'm doing it today. Today is the 21st of March. So on the 22nd of March is when they start. But we're going to quickly take you on a little tour of what it looks like. So this is what the landing looks like. Getting this carpeted, and the stairs, the death trap stairs, carpeted. So I'm going to show you down here. This is what it looks like currently. We've tried to master the act of trying to walk down the stairs without getting pricked or stabbed. This is how it's done, guys. Baby steps, baby steps. Oh, I braved it. Here we're getting wood laminate flooring. And then here we're going to have the exact same carpet we're having up the stairs. So that's going to be all in here. They're starting with the dining room, which is why all the dining room stuff's in here. Oh, it's the acoustics in here. Lovely. So this is our very empty dining room. All of this is going to be pretty laminate flooring. We had laminate flooring beforehand, but I think we've just jazzed it up, making it a bit nicer, a bit newer. So that's happening in here. The exact same laminate flooring is going as you come through the door. So in that little section over there, we're having the exact same carpet in the living room as we are up the stairs and on the landing. I'm going to quickly show you what the living room looks like. It's an absolute state. Fun times. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Would you not want to live here? I would. This is actually my old coffee table from when I lived in Pontins in my first year. We're not using that. This is our new TV unit that we have had lots of problems with, but it's finally arrived. So as soon as we've got carpet and flooring, that is going to move itself to here. And then I think the next two things we've got to do, the first two things on the list, is a new TV because we're going to have a bigger one than this so it fits nicely on the unit. And then obviously these are still our makeshift curtains that we've got at the minute. It is literally a black sheet that is pinned and pegged to the wall. My dad calls it his makeshift blind. He loves it. So yeah, curtains and a curtain rail will be the next thing we do in here. But I think the reason it's so exciting is because I think flooring obviously makes it look like a house and it looks livable. Like at the minute, that's not a nice place to live. And the echo, should have a sing-song in here. The acoustics should be great. I am really bloody excited. I'm probably gonna have to leave the house a lot this next couple of days because I can't be in here when the guys are in here doing their stuff. So I'm gonna have to get out. But I'm just gonna spend a week with me. It might be a bit of a bigger vlog than I was expecting, but hey ho, what else have we got to do here in lockdown? But at least we can see the end of the tunnel now, right? Exciting stuff's happening. On the 12th of April, things get relaxed, which is amazing. And 13th of April is Kaylee's birthday, and we've got lots of plans for that, so you'll see that as well. So there is some exciting stuff coming up, but in the meantime, the most exciting thing for us, which is actually quite embarrassingly exciting for us three, is obviously the house update. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that as well. I am gonna go and continue to edit for the rest of the day. And then I will see if I can get some shots for after the guys have been in for the first day and see how they've progressed. I think they're starting with the laminate flooring, so hopefully I can show you that after day one of what I'm calling, what should I keep saying it's carpet day, but it's not even just carpet. Flooring day. I don't know. But yeah, I'll have an update for you very, very soon. Hello. So it's now day one. Apologies for the state of me, just got out of the shower. We can't really see much and we're pretty much locked in our room for the entire day. I'm going to quickly show you what we can see from the top of the stairs. Underlay. We can just see them putting the underlay down. Yeah, we're trapped up here for the time being. I've decided that I called them carpet guys or something yesterday. I was like, oh no, they've got to be the flooring fellas. How good is that? No?
No.
Imagine going downstairs to get food and be like, right flooring fellas?
No. No.
Anyway, that's a very tiny update. I'm going to update you when they leave because obviously we can't go downstairs right now. But yeah, there's nothing really to show you of today because we're literally locked in our rooms. Probably going to order myself a nice takeaway, of course. Because we can't get to the kitchen right now. It's fun times. But I'll update you once they're left. So it's now 10 to 4 in the afternoon. We had a lovely McDonald's takeaway sat in Katie's room because there's currently no room downstairs to actually eat anything. Those noises that you heard is the noises I've been hearing the entire day. And we're probably going to be hearing them for probably another day, maybe 2. Oh my god, I've just noticed what my face looks like and it's so bad, I'm so sorry. They're doing a lot quicker than we thought they were going to be doing, so yeah, I'm excited. We kind of got a little bit of a sneak peek earlier of the floor going down in the landing. The fact that they've moved on to the landing, I'm assuming means that they're done with the dining room, so I reckon they'll actually get all of that done today. Probably do some touchy up bits that they might need to do. I don't know how flooring works. And then hopefully it'll be carpet day tomorrow and we'll be done. So I thought this was going to be a spend a week with us, but it's probably like a spend 2 or 3 days with us. So but yeah, in a second I will go downstairs after they've left and I will show you where they've got to throughout day one. To video it for my friends. Okay, they've gone. We're going downstairs. I can already hear Katie screaming downstairs. Oh my god. This is what the floor looks like. I bet you now is the time that I stab myself in these stairs. Look at our flooring. Ah! We've got more out here. Oh my god, I love it. Hello. Hello. Are you happy? Are you on FaceTime?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Are you happy?
I like it.
Yeah, I like it. Look at that.
It's finished off the edges, so they can tidy it up a bit. So.
Oh my god.
It's a bit dusty down here.
Oh, so what, they've just still got the edges to do, did you say?
Yeah, they've still got, they call it chalk.
Okay, so they got the edges to clear up, but this is what our flooring's gonna be like.
I love it.
Yeah,
I love it too.
Yeah, babe, love it. I want to sit on it.
Sit on it
It's
then.
really dusty.
Oh god. I think
You
it's...
can't move all your this stuff back in here because I need all this space.
Yeah.
This,
Katie, rehearsals start now.
yeah, they can be there doing that.
We'll be putting on a show for him tomorrow for carpet day. This is a close-up of the wood. Look at where the sun hits it. Isn't it nice? Isn't it lovely? That is update for day number 1. Day 2, I'm assuming will be carpet day, so we'll catch up with you then. Good morning, everybody. So today is day 2 of the flooring fellas being in here. This will catch on, I'm telling you. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, just gone. And usually I'm just waking up, but I've been doing a few errands this morning. This is why I have a Starbucks. Probably a bit too early for something this sweet. I think I might be a bit high for today. But we're going to go with it. And I've got a few more errands to run throughout the day. I'm going for a nice little walk today. And basically, we think when the flooring fellas turn up, which is probably in about the next 10 minutes, something like that, We think they're going to be starting on the stairs, which means if I'm going out today, I basically need to leave the house before they turn up, because the odds are if they turn up and start on the stairs, I won't be able to leave my room and I will be stuck. So that's the plan for today. I'm going out today and I probably won't be getting back until they've finished. So once I'm back, hopefully we'll have a huge update for you. I don't know whether they're actually going to get it finished today. I'm kind of hoping that they do, but I will soon find out when I get back. So we shall see. Hello world, quick update for you. I'm still in my car, sorry. I think I'm actually a bit sunburnt because the sun decided to come out today and it was lovely. Anyway, Kaylee was still in the house whilst I was out and she sent me a video of something that was going on. So I'm quickly going to put her video in here. Basically, they started doing the underlay for the carpet and it was bright blue. That's what it looks like. And now they're actually doing the carpet. So Kaylee's about to walk back out and meet me and she's going to have to now walk through all their hard work of carpet before we run our next errand. But I thought I'd give you that little update so you can see the lovely bright blue underlay. Also, I forgot to say as well, my dad sent me a lovely picture of him setting up camp, working in my room whilst I was out. Basically because they were doing the living room and obviously he'd moved all of his stuff into the living room and I don't think they were quite finished with the laminate flooring that they'd done. So he couldn't then move himself into the dining room either. So he's moved himself up into my room and I'm going to put a little picture in here of what it looked like. He sent me a nice little selfie of what he looked like sat working at my desk. Literally the house the last few days feels like it's just been ripped apart. Honestly, it's just been a nightmare, but it's going to look great once we get back. That's just a quick update for you. And when we get back, it should all be done. Fingers crossed. Okay, so we've just got home and we're going to walk in the house. They have gone, what they're called, the flooring fellas have gone.
Shut up.
We're going to get a first look at the completed floor. Blessing! Oh, we got a mat. Oh, it's just part of the carpet, okay. Oh, it smells, it's the new carpet smell. Look at the stairs. Oh my gosh. Oh, we smashed it with the colour. This is what the living room looks like. Ah!
It's great.
Hi.
I bet you missed that other carpet.
No, not one bit.
I've done my carpet angel.
You don't.
It was like antique, that was.
You can do a carpet angel now. Dad says he's done his. Just makes the place look really big, doesn't it? Oh, I love it. Look at that. Just the TV unit left to go. Cody's still laying on the floor. I'm going to go up and show you the landing. Oh my god. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Oh, it's like slightly different to this one. So that I think that clashes a little bit, but not too much. So that's the landing. Stairs are done. Living room's done. We have floor. I'm so happy with that. That's so good. Actually makes it look like a house that we can live in now.
Yeah. Okay. Toolbox.
We love it. How are you doing over there? Happy days. There's one thing left to do, and it's the TV unit.
And the poo.
What? Dad's got his toolbox out. And we're ready. Start the TV unit. TV unit's going right here in the middle where that black wire is. And then what we've got so far will be completed. Off he goes.
That's lighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah. That works. Once we've got other things that colour, it will work. It might look a little bit out of place right now, but Pinterest will help. Right, I might just update you when it's done because this looks like it might take a while.
It could take a while.
Yes, I think it might.
Bring that up again.
The team are hard at work. I'm on the instructions. This is my job. It's getting there. And completed it, mate. Team Townsend on fire. We did it. We did it. Aren't we clever? Bunch of clever clogs. So that's everything done so far that can be done. We will have a TV on here, but the TV we're about to put on here isn't the final TV, so it's not the big one. So I'm not going to bother showing you that. But this is the final touches. We've now got carpet, we've got floor, we've got a TV unit. We are winning. It actually feels like a home in here, so I'm loving life. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't even look like much, but it feels great in here. That was, I suppose, spend 48 hours with us whilst we get some massive house updates. So as we are finished, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye. Dad, say bye.
See ya.
Bye.